kasarap. Tanong, how's the Word? Every time you digest the Word, how does it change you? Hindi naman, pag nasa church ka, one day you're worshiping God, and Monday to Saturday, you're in the world. How does it change you? Anong nangyari sa'yo? May nabago ba sa'yo? Nung tumanggap ka sa Lord, pumayat ka ba? Tumangkad ka? Tumaba? Lumiit? Walang nabago sa'yo, tama ba? But when you accepted Jesus Christ as your Lord and Savior, may isang nabago sa atin. It is the Word that changes us. Nabago yung spirito natin. Dati hindi ka marunong magmamahal. Pero when you read the Word, you now begin to digest it. And now you begin to understand na ikaw pala ay nilikha to love your neighbor as yourself. And the main thing is to love God the Father first.